We have on the telephone the Sherman County Health Director, Jennifer Cure. Jennifer, nice to have you with us this morning. Some things are changing on the COVID situation. What's the latest?
Yeah, we've seen a lot of changes issued from KDHE here in the past week and a half. One of them being the isolation period for those that have tested positive has been reduced to 5 days at home, followed by 5 days wearing a well-fitted mask if you leave the home, as long as you're not running a fever and your symptoms have improved considerably. But the biggest change that we've seen here recently, we've seen a large surge in cases of COVID-19 here in the community. And the testing is in high demand. Many hospitals in the state of Kansas are overwhelmed due to the increase in testing. And the other problem that we're seeing is the testing, the antigen rapid tests are becoming pretty scarce. So KDHE wanted to meet the demands of our community and have deployed the National Guard to multiple counties in the state of Kansas, including our very own Sherman County. So they have arrived this morning to the health department to help and assist. The state has sent a small supply of over-the-counter tests for individuals if they want to test quickly. We have those here at the health department to hand out. And then the Guardsmen will also be providing PCR saliva tests to individuals to contracted labs in the state of Kansas to help the testing situation in Sherman County.
Have we had the National Guard help us out on anything before in recent time?
We actually have, even with the COVID pandemic, we had Guardsmen couriering specimens to the state lab previously here in Sherman County. So we have utilized them before, but not in this capacity.
All right, now, how do they come? Just regular cars, or they got a big deuce and a half sitting outside? We don't want people to be alarmed.
Yeah, no, I don't want anyone to be alarmed. They arrived in their own vehicles. They are in their Guardsman attire. But yeah, they just arrived in their cars. There's about 7 of them here in Sherman County at the health department currently.
All right. How long do you think they'll be on hand to help out?
We've been told that they're going to be here for the next 31 days to help us get through this surge.
31 days. Okay. Mm-hmm. Well, good luck. Let's go through real quick some health precautions. We need to review this, and I don't think it'll hurt as far as COVID precaution. Let's go through those again.
Yeah, so our biggest tool in preventing COVID-19 is still vaccination, which we are continuing to do here at the health department. So all the testing is being done out of the garage addition that we added on, when COVID started, so that we can continue operations here in the health department. And those, like I said, vaccination is the biggest tool that we can use to help prevent severe disease. So, if you're needing a booster or you're still needing the primary series, please call us. We have all of the approved vaccine available in the United States here in Sherman County available to us to provide. And then, obviously wearing a well-fitted mask, proper hand hygiene, and I can't emphasize enough staying home when you're sick.
Staying at home when you're sick, and even if you don't feel good, just listen to your body. Good point.
Yeah, a lot of people, their symptoms start out like just a very light, maybe they think it's allergies or just a common cold. So if you're starting to have any symptoms at all, and COVID-19 really does have a wide range of symptoms, it's best just to know and get tested. Have
you heard of any guardsmen helping other counties in northwest Kansas, or just focusing on Sherman County?
They wanted to get a testing site set up along I-70, so they chose Sherman County, in addition to the fact that we needed assistance with our testing operations. I do know other counties that are using them. Finney County, Saline County, I believe, we're going to be utilizing them. There were like 7 other counties in the state of Kansas that they were deployed to.
Kansas National Guard at the Sherman County Health Office there on Broadway, so they'll be here for 31 days assisting. So Jennifer Cure, thank you so much for being with us, and we'll keep everybody updated here and thank our guardsmen for their efforts, and still, golly, our healthcare workers. You just can't say thank you enough for those that are helping out day by day. It's just got to be a tremendous strain.
That's right. Goodland Regional, all the providers up there, I can't thank them enough. I know all healthcare workers are very tired. They're experiencing that healthcare worker fatigue right now. This pandemic's kind of stretched on longer than any of us could have ever imagined. If you know a healthcare provider or see one, please give them, your thank you.
Sherman County Health Director Jennifer Cure. Jennifer, thank you very much.
Thank you.
That is our update from the Sherman County Health Department on KLOE, a live visit right here.